Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So something a bit different today. Rather than doing a massive intro at the start, I just thought I'd talk over this first bit of footage, which is just the sighting laps from Mallory. It's session 1, novice group, on the 8th of April, and it's all a little bit different today. All the footage is coming from the Hero 3. I'm still having issues with the batteries on the new Akaso camera that I bought. I've fitted a sexy new HM quick shifter to the bike for this session. Great bit of kit, lovely. However, they do require some setting up, and in this first session, as you'll see, I've not set it correctly. I've got the sensitivity too high, and it's literally trying to change gear on its own, especially at speeds, and just the slightest touch on it, so I'm not comfortable. We're certainly not anywhere near flat out. So it is a steady session, so what I've decided to do, rather than just have all the footage out there, I'm going to cut it and try and get some little bits of interest. So it's going to be a relatively short video compared to what they normally are. I am going to release the raw footage as well, released not too long after this video. So by all means check that out if you want to see all of it and some of the mishaps. Also, I'm doing a massive video bomb this Thursday coming. All of the rest of the footage from the side of the track that my partner took, I'm going to drop pretty much all at once from about 5 o'clock all the way through till the early hours of Friday morning, just to get it out of the way, because I'm at the track again on Friday and there's just going to be too much footage to keep releasing a few videos at a time each day. So I'm just going to drop it all at once and get it out of the way. Anyway, enjoy the video, guys.